Alright guys, this is my new crusher valve. There you go. Still have the check engine and the stop engine when I'm driving. So I'm gonna replace it. It looks like this is the original one because I broke 2 bolts already and that was easy with them. Look how bad it is. It's plugged up. Look. See? I can tell it never be changed. Look at that. You can't even see nothing through it. So that's the problem I have. Now I gotta, before they close the dealer, I gotta go get those 2 bolts and put the new one on it. The reason I need to take these 2s off, it's gonna start leaking. So now I'm gonna go get the new bolts on it and clean it up, put it back together, and hopefully it's check engine, stop engine when I'm driving on the road. Because I lost about 20% of power on the turbo, so we'll see what happens.